Hello everyone, how are you? I hope all of you are quite fine and taking good care of yourselves. So let's begin our day, of course, with a positive thought. May your troubles be less and your blessings be more. So, with this wonderful wish of mine for all of you, let's begin our lesson, part 2 of the video lesson, chapter 6 of Punchlight. Before moving on, let's have a quick review of the previous lesson taught. The elders of Mahatotoli bought a Petromax for their panchayat and all of them were quite happy, they were quite excited, and the main topic of conversation or gossip in the panchayat was all about the Petromax lamp which they had bought. Okay, they had bought the Petromax out of the fines and penalties collected, and they bought it from the Ramnavami fair, and they decided to offer puja before using that before using that technical object which was the Petromax. Okay, before lightening the lamp, they wanted to the object to be suitably blessed. Okay, and everybody was quite excited. The head of the neighborhood troupe of singers told his musicians that see, be careful, don't play false note, otherwise you will be fired, because for the first time we would be playing in the light of the punch light. Okay, because there would be no more darkness, that your flaws would be hidden. Okay, and Gulri Kaki had already begun to hum, and people were very much excited. They were shouting, they were chanting punch light, and they were really very excited. Now see, now let's resume further. The chief smoked his hookah and said, "The shopkeeper asked for 5 kauris and 5 rupees. I said, don't take me for an ignorant rustic. I have seen lots of punch lights." The chief was smoking his hookah and he was boasting. Okay, he was boasting about how it was a very difficult task to buy a punch light and how he got that from the shopkeeper. He said that a shopkeeper asked for 5 kauris and 5 rupees in return for the punch light. Means the punch light's cost was 5 kauris and 5 rupees. So you see, what is a kauri? Kauri is a flattened yellowish shell used as money in olden times. Now see students, I am going to show you this picture of kauri. Say this is a kauri. Okay, these are kauris. It is still used as a medium of playing a game called Pachisi in Mithila. Okay, so the cost of the punch light, the Petromax, was 5 kauris and 5 rupees. And he said that don't take me for an ignorant rustic. Ignorant rustic. Rustic means rural people. Rural people means belonging to village. Okay. So he says that don't think me a gawad. I am not a gawad. Okay. I have seen lots of punch lights. At first, the shopkeeper could only gape at me. Gape means stare. Stare with open mouth. Okay, stare with mouth open or stare with open mouth. Then he said, all right, since the chief himself has come to my shop to buy a punch light, I will charge only 5 kauris for it. Okay, so he said, at first he just stared at him, at the chief, that I have not told him anything, why he is calling himself a gawad and all that. Okay, He was just staring at him. He was looking strangely at him, and then he said, "Okay, okay. If the chief himself has come to me to buy the punch light, then I will only charge 5 caudies for it." Okay. Then the chief thought that yes, it is a good bargain. And now the when the chief has finished boasting, the secretary thought, why should I be silent? I also went with the chief, so I should also boast. Okay, he said. The secretary of the panchayat added, that shopkeeper could read faces. The shop's servant did not want to give us a give us a box for the punch light. But I said, Mr. Shopkeeper, how can we carry the punch light without its box? The shopkeeper scolded his servant and said, give him the box. Then the secretary said that that shopkeeper could read faces. Okay, he was a very he was a experienced man. Okay, he was an experienced man. And he said that the shop servant did not want to give us a box for the punch light. Okay, he was giving the Petromax without any box. Okay, but I said that Mr. Shopkeeper, how can we carry the punch light without the box? Maybe the Petromax would get damage in the way. Okay, so the shopkeeper scolded the servant and said, okay, give him the box. Now means the secretary meant to say that if the chief had bargained for the punch light, okay, I got the box for the punch light. Okay, the people from the Toli looked at the chief with new respect. The people from the Toli were very much delighted, were very much pleased that the chief had made a good bargain and they had saved the money from the fines and penalties. Okay. Then she said, sorry. Then 3 bottles of kerosene had been fetched from Rudal Shah's shop. But now the question was, who would light the punch light? No one had thought of it so far. The offerings for the puja were ready. The singers were waiting with their drums, cymbals, and bells, while the punch light stood in the middle of it all. The villagers had never bought anything like this before. 3 bottles of kerosene had been fetched from Rudal Shah's shop, and now the question was that who would light the punch light, because they had never lit a punch light before. Okay, and they had neither thought of the problem that it would be a great problem to light a punch light. Okay, because they did not knew how to they did not know how to light a punch light. The offerings were ready for the puja, all the prasad and the garlands and the music, everything was ready for the puja. The singers were waiting with their drums and cymbals is are musical instruments with round plate. Okay, see, I will show you a cymbal. This is a cymbal. Okay, it's called jhanjhar. Okay, in Hindi, sorry, not jhanjhar. Jhanjhar, in Jhanjhar we use several round plates. Okay, this is a manjira. Okay, it's called manjira. So musical instruments with round plate, it's used in kirtan, for kirtan purpose. Okay, so they were waiting with their drums, with their cymbals and bells, and the punch light stood in the middle of it. Okay, uh, and the villagers had never bought anything like this before. Anything means bought a technical object before, and it was really very much difficult for them to make out that who would light a punch light. It was not that no one in the entire village knew how to light a punch light. The issue here was, after all the preparations, the ritual offerings and puja, will someone from another toli have to be brought in to help light our punch light? Would it be better to let it lie around? Who can bear the insults and mockery for the rest of one's life? People from the other villages will taunt us at the slightest pretext. Okay, it was not that no one in the entire village knew how to light a punch light, because the other panchayats had their punch light. Okay, so if they will call someone from another community, from another panchayat to light the punch light, they will come. But what they will do, they will insult them for not knowing how to light a punch light. So this they said that who can bear the insult and mockery means ridiculous comments, okay, for the rest of one's life. And he said that people from the other villages will taunt us means tane marna, okay, they will taunt us, they will make comments on us, they will comment on us at the slightest pretext means opportunity or excuse. They will have the bahana, they will have the excuse, okay, they will have the excuse to taunt us, okay. Sadness descended on the crowd. The evening darkened. No one had lit even an oil lamp in his home. Who would want a flickering oil lamp now that the punch light had been bought? But it had all come to naught. Now, see, sadness descended on the crowd. Everybody was very much excited about the punch light, but when the question came that who would light the punch light, everybody became depressed and sad. The evening darkened because no one had even light an oil lamp in their house. They did not lit their lantern in their house. Okay, and now they don't want even the lantern. They didn't want that they, because now the punch light had been bought. Now there was a new thing with them, so they wanted to light the punch light. They did not wanted they did not want a flickering oil lamp. Flickering means going on and off. Okay, सो किसको अच्छा लगता है कि मतलब ये वो जाके वही पुराना दिया जलाएं और वो वही पुराने लालटेन जलाएं, जिसमें कि जो लौ है वो जलता बुझता रहता है, ठीक है, ऑन ऑफ होता रहता है। उनको नहीं चाहिए था वो अब पंच लाइट जलाना चाहते थे। बट इट हैड ऑल कम टू नॉट, पर अब सब कुछ शून्य हो चुका था। नॉट मीन्स नथिंग, शून्य, ज़ीरो। ओके, अ यंग मैन अराइव्ड विद द न्यूज़। People from the Rajput Toli are going crazy laughing at us. They are saying, hold your ears and do 5 sit-ups in front of the punch light. It will light up on its own. Okay. A young man came with the news that people from the Rajput Toli are being crazy. They are laughing at us and they are saying that होल्ड योर ईयर्स एंड डू 5 सिटअप्स। अपने कान पकड़ लो और 5 बार उठक बैठक करो, पंच लाइट अपने आप जल जाएगा मैजिक से, ठीक है। क्योंकि उन्हें जलाना नहीं आता था और सब लोग उनका मजाक उड़ाना शुरू कर दिए थे, दूसरे टोली के लोग। ओके, द पंचायत मेंबर्स हर्ड दिस रिपोर्ट एंड सेड टू देमसेल्व्स, God has given them this opportunity to laugh at us, so why wouldn't they laugh? An old man came with the grim news that pumping a punch light could be a tricky business and needs the utmost care. Okay, then the panchayat members heard this report, heard this news, and they said to themselves, they were talking to themselves, okay, they said that God has given them this opportunity, then why they should not laugh at us? भगवान ने उनको मौका दिया है हम पे हंसने का, तो हंसने दो, क्या कर सकते हैं। And an old man came with a grim news. Grim means serious or unpleasant. Okay, एक गंभीर न्यूज़, एक गंभीर खबर लेकर आए एक बूढ़े व्यक्ति। उन्होंने कहा कि पंपिंग अ पंच लाइट कुड बी अ ट्रिकी बिजनेस। पंपिंग अ पंच लाइट को पंप करना बहुत ही ट्रिकी काम है, मुश्किल काम है और बहुत ही सावधानी से करना पड़ता है। Okay, so today till here only. I hope I have explained the lesson well and it was quite clear to you. Yet if you have any doubts or queries, let me know in the comment section and please like the video. Okay, so Please, if you like the video, then please let me know in the comment section that do I need to improve, or you have liked the video. Okay, so thank you everyone.